Lesson 15. What's possible? Real people, real builds. What follows isn't a guarantee. It's permission, proof that solo operators using AI seriously have built real things. Most outcomes are steadier and slower than these. Both things are true. Build a portfolio of indie products solo. Nomad List, Remote OK, PhotoAI. Most of what he shipped failed. A few became real businesses. The lesson: patient iteration, not one lucky shot. Shipped a series of AI-powered tools, each launched in days, using AI for code, copy, and support. Multiple products crossed $1 million. The lesson: speed of shipping beats perfection of planning. These are outliers and they work in tech products. Not every industry translates directly. What does translate? Something real. AI leverage and the discipline to actually shape that combination shows up in every solopreneur success story I've seen, tech or not. Real estate, 2 to 3 times the clients at the same quality, not overnight, over a year of a consistent use. Coach or trainer, more students without proportionally more hours. Small business, enterprise level output at solopreneur cost. Steady progress, not a hockey stick. If you get your 3-layer habit running, cloud projects, co-work, and you're ready to hand off entire business functions rather than doing them yourself, that's what Steady Systems is for. Agents that run your prospecting, marketing, client management, and admin, so you can focus purely on revenue. Find one sentence from these stories that lands in your chest. Write it down, tape it where you work. Permission first, then the work. Write the one sentence that lands for you. Mark a realistic 12-month version of your AI leveraged business. Real builders exist, but they're outliers. Expect steady progress, not overnight results. Something real plus AI plus discipline to ship is the actual pattern. And Steady Systems exist for when you're ready to hand off entire functions, not just tasks.